Okay, so I'm going to show you what to do here. Now, all I've got is a simple butter knife here, and don't use the serrated side, of course. You could use the handle, depending on, I like to get a bit more strength into it, or not strength, but you know, it's a thinner blade, so I'll use that. So we'll apply something, and then we'll start working through that. But if that's too strong, you can by all means use this, okay? Or, as I'll show you a little bit later, is this is a lid from my curry paste, okay? Now it is clean, I did clean it, but it's stained from the turmeric. So, but that'll also work beautifully. And especially around the kneecap, which I'll show you, because that's where it comes into its own. It's absolutely brilliant. So, okay. So I've got, what's this, thermo rub. You could use anything, any sort of cream or oil, but I always find it's great to be able to use, you know, something that's going to be effective as well. So some sort of heat rub, diclofenac cream, whatever. Okay, so put some of that on. What we're going to do, because we've got, remember we've got the quadriceps tendon all through here, we're going to start working on this. So I'll just come back a bit. All right, so we're going to scrape all the way along here. So simple as this, just like palette, if you like. Spread it there, and then away you go. So if you're doing it on yourself, this is absolutely fantastic. So IT band. And just make sure if you're treating a client, and you'll feel as you go along these bumps along here, and that's what you want. Start breaking up any adhesions, and once it gets to a certain redness, a certain pinkness, or if it's getting sore or anything, then you can stop that. So I can feel here it's all sort of grainy, like a rocky road. I don't know whether you can see that. It goes clunk, 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 clunk. So I'm just doing longitudinally at the moment, and then we'll work across the muscles. But here's the kneecap, so we're not on the bone, but you can feel it's all, well, I can feel it. It's all sort of gristly, if you like. So I'm working all around here. And you can see when I get a bit of a build up, I just put it back there. So it feels fantastic. And it very commonly will feel spasm in through here. So you want to work that as well. And work all the way along that thigh. Now, once you've done it, you see that beautiful redness, that's perfect. So what you can do, see I've got my knee at 90 degrees, is now I'm going to put onto more of a stretch. So I'm bringing my foot, so bending the knee more, obviously as much as you can comfortably. Now we've got the more tension in the muscle because we put on a stretch, and now we'll go to town again. So we're putting it more of a stretch. You can see a little bit of speckling coming up. And you can start to see it come up there, right? That's plenty. So work along here. And this is absolutely fantastic for thigh, knee pain, thigh tightness. Working all around. Right, so once you've done that, now you can also work across the muscles. Now this is where I find it's easy to use a cap, okay? And work across. So we've got the kneecap here, so if I just straighten out, you can see where I'm at. And you can even take it off there as you start to bring in the cross fiber. You've got your big vastus lateralis tendon here, so we can just work across here. And of course around the kneecap. Any restrictions around that kneecap there. That's why I find this is better with a knife. On the patella tendon, working it through there and across the patella tendon. Cross fiber friction across that patella tendon. And working right around that kneecap. Work along, you got your medial collateral ligaments of course here. Work along there, just go gently because there's not much soft tissue here, so just go gently. but it is really, really effective as we work all around there. And once again, you can flex the knee, it's comfortable, put more tension on these structures, and keep working around here. So if I was to use the knife again, you can see it's possible. You'd be best off probably to be using, you know, something a smaller, like a pointier, because it's just too broad. You can see that. Now we're sort of clunking against the kneecap. It's doable, but I think it's better when you get something smaller. But you can see I can do it. And we're working cross fibre across these quadriceps that come down to the tendons, coming out of the kneecap into the patellar tendon. So we're working across here as we break up any scar tissue. All this really fascial restrictions here. And I tell you, it feels incredible. So you can see that now. A little bit of speckling up here. You see here, that's absolutely fine. Okay, absolutely fine. Redness here. So you can see that, of course, that's all that tension in there. Just some capillaries there. But that, as you can see, is a fabulous way. So just remember, I'll show you on the table as well, but remember as you do it, and then you can start to bring in flexion to put more tension on these muscles as you continue to work them.